Greetings from Team OPTIMA HMS. Here's a guide on how to book an indoor admission using the OPTIMA HMS application. Open the OPTIMA HMS application, enter your user credentials, click Login. After logging in, you will be directed to the chosen dashboard of the application. On the dashboard, locate and click on the indoor admission option. Once you click on indoor admission, you will be guided through the process of entering patient's details, admission information, and assigning bed. You must select a bed for the patient from the available ones. There is a search patient button that allows you to search for a patient by entering their UHID, Aadhaar number, or full name. If the patient is already registered with the hospital, simply enter the patient's details and the registration fields will automatically populate with the patient's information. However, if the patient is visiting for the first time, you will need to manually fill in all the patient's details. Let's see how it works. You need to fill in the patient's name. For example, we are entering Mr. Ravi Jha as patient's name. We have to choose its caste, religion, nationality, and date of birth. You must select the admission type by choosing the appropriate category, such as whether it is a serious case, police case, newborn baby, or serology case. Next, you need to fill in the patient's present address. If the permanent address is same as the present address, simply check this box and the permanent address will automatically populate with similar to present address. You must select the attending doctor, the admission department, and the treating doctor for the patient. You have to put a brief reason of admission. Please enter patient's Aadhaar number and click the upload button. Please select the marketing personnel's name and the admission type from the following options. Please enter at least one relative's name and number and select the category for the patient, indicating whether they fall under the cash or TPA category. In this case, we have chosen cash. Now please click on Save Patient Data and you will be all set to book an indoor admission. Once the service process in indoor admission is completed, all the details are recorded in the admission register. Now you must click on the admission register where you can select the date range. This feature allows you to retrieve the patient's records within the specified date range. Now please click on the search button to retrieve the details of the patient booked in indoor admission. Now you can click the action button to print the admission consent form. OT consent form, and patient sticker. You can also access the doctor change feature. So this is how we book an indoor admission and manage the admission register. This video is for training purposes only. All data used here is for training purpose and have no relevance to any real patient or doctor. Thank you.